Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ. Today I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to cook a whole chicken on the barbecue using a meter plus. I'm a big fan of meters. I've been using them for a couple of years and I love how simple they make your cook, how easy it is to get food to cook to the right temperature. I teach my kids 75 stay alive, and that just makes sure that it's all cooked through. And with using a meter such as this Meter Plus, that is really easy to do. A lot of people worry about cooking chicken on the barbecue. Is it safe to eat? Here I'm going to show you a really quick, easy way of cooking chicken that is safe to eat. So I've got a nice corn-fed chicken here. I'm going to go for a little bit of olive oil just on the skin. You see it's lovely golden colour, nice free range corn-fed chicken. Okay, I'm going to go for a little bit of salt just on the skin like that, and a little bit of pepper. So take your meter out, there we go, it's got a mark on there, so we need to make sure that is right into the breast, into the middle. There we go, and that's right in. So that's good. The meter probe will then talk to the meter controller here, and then that will talk to my phone. Okay, so you set your cook up. So I'm going to set this up for chicken. So it will be whole chicken, 74 degrees C, and that will be ready to go. So I'm going to pop this onto the barbecue, which is set for 180 degrees C. It's going to take about 40 minutes to an hour to cook through. The meter is telling me to remove from heat and to rest. Wow, the chicken looks beautiful. Lovely colour to it. That looks stunning, look at that. Beautiful colour. Perfectly cooked chicken. So it looks like the meter has done a great job with this, as has the Weber Smokefire, and the meter has made sure this is cooked to temperature, so I know it's safe to eat for my family, and it's cooked well. It's still going to be nice and juicy and tender and not overcooked like a lot of people are worried about cooking chicken on the barbecue. I'm going to take the meter out, careful because it can be hot. That's done its job now, it's told me it's rested. I'm going to have a try of this. So I cut a nice slice through. As you can see, that looks so juicy. So if chicken is cooked well, it's really juicy and tender. Look at that, lovely. Oh. It's difficult to beat really good chicken cooked well with a hint of smoke and nailing the temperatures with your meter. I really love this bit of kit. It's made cooking for me a lot simpler, a lot more straightforward. I know it's helped a lot of other people out, so great bit of kit, get one. Use it. It doesn't have to be for barbecue, it can be indoor cooking if you so choose. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hit subscribe, let me know how you're getting on with your meters. I'd love to hear about it. Take care, cheers.